Now let's talk about the mass moment of inertia. The mass moment of inertia is the measure of a body's resistance to angular acceleration. Now let's break that down. For example, this screwdriver is very easy to rotate, so it has a small mass moment of inertia. Okay? Now, if I move on to the shovel here, right, and try to rotate this, it's difficult for me to rotate. This has a larger mass moment of inertia. The mass moment of inertia is a measure of the mass and how far it's located away from the axis that you're rotating. Okay? So for example, if I rotate this shovel about the center of it, I can still rotate it. It's not that difficult. But if I move on to rotate this about the handle, it's hard for me to pick up and rotate. So that indicates that the same object can have a different mass moment of inertia depending on the axis that you're rotating about.